Hi! In front of me is ZTE A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message on this device. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this icon with a camera and a photo located at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photo or multiple ones right away over here, or click on Gallery section instead and select them over here. Then click on Select at the top right corner or Add at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!